Do you want to know how you can connect to your Spotify with your Onlyfans account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Spotify with your Onlyfans. Go to onlyfans.com and then go to My Profile. Now you can see Sign In with Spotify. Click on it and then you can go ahead and write down your username, email, or you can just continue with Google, Facebook, or your Apple ID. For me, I'm using my email and then I'll go ahead and write down my password. After that, click on Login and then click on Agree. Now your OnlyFans and Spotify account will be connected. It's not only that, you can go ahead and you can change the settings. Let me show it to you once again how you can sign in with Spotify in OnlyFans. Go to My Profile and then on the right hand corner, click on Sign In with Spotify. Now you have logged in with your Spotify account. Now you can select your Spotify anthem, your top artist, and people can see what type of music you listen to. And this is how you connect your Spotify with your OnlyFans account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.